Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. In today's video I have two budget microphones for you. So you bought your first camera but you want to improve your audio. As we know that the audio from the camera is not fantastic. As you can hear right now, the audio is not great. It's okay. I'm filming with my Canon 200D SL2 in some countries. It's alright but it's not fantastic. So you want to improve the audio with your camera. So I have two budget microphones. So the first one is by Takstar. It's a sgc-598, quite popular microphone. This microphone has been on the market for a couple of years. It's a shotgun microphone, as you can see, and it's a nice microphone for the money. It starts from 29 British pounds, about $30 in the States. It's a very popular microphone. Actually, this is the first microphone that I bought when I started my YouTube channel. It's a shotgun microphone. There's a couple of things that you need to know about this microphone. Operates via one single AA battery. I think this is going to be a problem for you because you don't want to do the mistake that I did a couple of times. I switched the microphone on, that's why I thought, but actually the microphone was off. There's a couple of buttons here, as you can see. So the first button is, so we have like a button that minimizes the background noise. You can check that, we'll check that in a minute. Also we have like extended mode 10 dB plus, so we'll check that as well, and on and off button. When the microphone is on, you can see the green light. But overall the build quality is okay. It's a budget microphone by Takstar. It's, like I said, very popular microphone. It's a little bit big, but it's okay. So we'll see against second microphone. The other microphone that I have, it's a budget microphone as well, but it's popular as well. This is the Rode VideoMicro by Rode. This microphone is very good. It's very popular. It's been on the market for many years, and people love this microphone because it's a small, it's a compact. The build quality of the Rode VideoMicro is great actually, and it's plug and play basically. So you just plug it to your camera and you're ready to go. No batteries required. Also the cable is very nice. It's a detachable cable, which this is a plus, because if you have a problem with the cable, just change the cable. You don't need to buy the microphone. Like I mentioned, it's a good microphone. Comes with a dead cap, a windscreen, wind foam. So basically if you record outside, this will stop the noise from the wind. But overall it's a good microphone. It's a budget, and this one is $50. The Takstar is $30, so we'll see which sounds better. Either way, both microphones are nice, quite popular. It's gonna be better than your sounds of your camera. So let's start now with the first test. Let's start with the Takstar first. Now you're hearing the Takstar sgc-598. This is the test of the Takstar. I'm 3 feet away from my camera so you can hear the sound, and let me show you how the sound. So if I go closer to the microphone, I believe the sound will improve. The problem with most of the microphones is that you need to be closer, and now you can have an idea how is the sound quality of the Takstar. Let me press the... Okay, so I press the button that minimizes the noise. So we'll see if there's any background noise, if any changes, so you can have an idea if this will improve. And now let me press the 10B plus. So this will be like extended mode, so you can have an idea if there's any difference. So yeah, this is the Takstar. So let me know, what do you think about the sound quality? Now I'm a little bit closer to the microphone so you can have an idea how is the sound quality. This is the Takstar sgc-598. So yeah, I think it's okay. So now let's see the Rode VideoMicro. Okay, so this is the Rode VideoMicro. I'm 3 feet away from the camera so you can have an idea how is the sound quality of the Rode VideoMicro. The both microphones are no edited. The sound is pure. It's a raw audio. So now I'm gonna go closer So I'm closer to the microphone now, so this is the test of the Rode VideoMicro, so you can have idea how is the sound quality. Like I mentioned, the problem with these microphones is that you need to be closer to the microphone, or you can get a like a arm, boom arm, or just put the microphone on the top. But in many cases, many people will put the microphone on the camera. So yeah, this is the Rode VideoMicro test from the camera, so you can have idea how is the sound quality for Rode VideoMicro. After I was looking for the footage about the test, I realized something very important that I think probably I should mention now, is that the sound is not very loud. This is the problem with the shotgun microphones. And now what I'm going to do is to show you that the sound is not very good. So basically I was 3 feet away from the microphone, from the camera. And now let's do the same test, but I'm going to put the microphone closer to my mouth to see if there's any difference. Okay. So I'm making this test because to see how is the sound quality, because like I mentioned, 3 feet is far, but the sound is not clear. So now, okay, so this is the test of the Rode VideoMicro. So I'm closer. So if you speak like close to the microphone, the sound will be okay. But if you put the microphone, the camera far away from you, the sound is not very great. But the sound is nice when the microphone is closer. So this is gonna be a problem for you if you try to vlog or basically anything. So in my case, you should invest in a maybe a different microphone, because if it's a far away from you, it's not gonna be nice. As you can hear, the sound is nice when the microphone is closer. So again, this is gonna be a problem for you. So that's why I noticed when I was checking the footage earlier, the sound is okay, but it's not loud. This is the problem. Okay, so let me try now the Takstar. Uh, so I'll do the same tests with the Takstar now. They are very nice microphones, but if the microphone is far away, this is gonna be a problem. Okay, so let me. Okay, so let's do the same test now. Okay, so this is the Takstar. This is the Takstar sgc-598. So yeah, the microphone is on. I thought that the microphone is not on. So the microphone is on now, and let me remove the 10 plus 10B just to have idea. So if the microphone is closer, the sound is gonna be okay. But if the microphone is far away, I believe the sound will be I don't know. We'll see this in post later. So I just want to see if the microphone is closer. So if it's like this way, but this is very close, and the sound probably will sound much better. The other problem is the microphone is on the top on the camera, so that's why the sound is not very good. If the microphone is maybe on the side, probably the sound will be okay. So let's try the plus 10B. So plus 10B I think is okay. So we'll see if there's any difference. But I hope you have idea about the microphone, the sound. So we'll see in post. Any difference if I press the button to minimize noise? Probably there's no any difference. I didn't feel any difference, if I'm honest with you. But yeah, you have idea now how the microphone sounds if it's closer. But yeah, let me know what you think, guys. This is Stefan. Let's go back to the studio. Interesting comparison between both microphones. I do like both microphones. The sound was pretty good actually. But let me know in the comments down below, which microphone do you prefer? Personally, if I have to choose, I'll probably get the Takstar, and the reason being is obviously value for the money. So $30 is a good value if you're buying first microphone. So if you don't want to spend like $50 budget, I think the Takstar will do when you start with the audio until you invest. But for the beginning, I think the Takstar is very good. The only problem that you're gonna have is obviously, as you can see in the test, if you're filming from far away, it's gonna be a problem because the sound is not gonna be very loud, clear as well. So yeah, but for the beginning, I think it's okay. So both microphones are nice. The build quality on the raw video is much better than the Takstar, but the Takstar is cheaper. Plus, you have a couple of options that you don't have on the raw video. You have the 10 plus dB. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below which microphone you prefer. This is Stefan. I hope this comparison is helpful. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.